Hello everyone, Daniel here from the Home of Random Productions 2.0 with another computer repair video. Except this is not modern by no means. I picked this up. Flip this over. This antique computer, rocking the Pentium 4. It's missing a bay cover, CD player, DVD-ROM driver I should say, and floppy diskette. A couple USB ports here. Alright, I have it hooked up. Got power and VGA USB keyboards. And there's an external PCI network card. Not sure what that's about. I haven't really gone into it. Let's see if we can get it started. So we have the screen on. Let's turn her on. Okay, power supply is doing one of those weird humming noises, which means there's a circuit shot. Okay, we're gonna have to open it. So, we're inside the computer, and it can use a bit of a bath, air compressor style. It's missing the hard drive because this was going out for recycling. So I'm not sure what doesn't cause it to start. It's an Intel Desktop Board D91GAG. And I don't know why it has the PCI network card. It's random when it has one built in. Alright, well, let's figure out why this won't start. I'm going to switch over to the main camera. I guess for starters, I'm just going to probably try to disconnect certain components to see why we can't get her started. Maybe that might help. Let me get mains voltage connected here. I unplugged it. It's right here. Can't seem to figure out what the brand is on this. Alright, let me... It's weird, I've never seen a 12-volt connector clip like that before. It's the first time for everything. Oh, these are fan. I'm gonna weigh out that the power supply unit might be shot. Alright, well. Oh yeah. Power supply unit shot. Okay. So, let's go downstairs to the shop and I'm gonna grab a power supply. So, we have a generic power supply, Best Tech from my parts bin downstairs. It's only a 288 watt max. This power supply unit, what's the wattage on this one? 485. Whoa! Well, that triumphs all. So let's unplug this thing and quickly connect her to see if that's the solution. Okay, so we finally hooked up this power supply unit, and let's plug in mains voltage, and let me get the little. Okay, we're gonna power it on. Well, I can't seem to get the motherboard to start, even with the new power supply, which I know has worked before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the motherboard out of the case and kind of set it up on the table here and just do a direct test with it, see if I can get this thing to jumpstart. So we now have the motherboard out of the case, and pretty much what it looks like from here. Let's hope we can get it started. So, seeing how I can't seem to get this motherboard to start, I went and got a EVGA 500 from downstairs in the shop as well, and let's see if I can get this to start. All it takes is to just jump these pins to get power. One of these should turn on the computer. Seems like it's a dead motherboard. Well, at least I got some parts out of it. Huh? Looks like it's a failed attempt. Thanks for watching. Well, might not have been able to salvage that one, but at least I got some parts. CD-ROM drive, floppy diskette, DDR1 RAM, a fan, network PCI card, and some wiring, and a front USB bay. Thank you for watching. Tune in to the next one.